Okay, we're back with the Halloween project, and you can see I've been hard at work to add like stuff for the title. And what I did was I went and got sprites for each of the letters. So here's like an H. Let me see if I can get there. Let me see if these guys go. If I go here, there's an H, there's an A, L, L, all the way down to spell Halloween. What I want to do is I want to move these guys around and do something interesting with them in the beginning of the project. So the way to do this is like if you can look here, this is like the sprite library. This is to make a new sprite. If I go to the letters, they have letters that look like this. They have letters that look like this. These aren't super scary, so if we were going to get into this, we could make, if you want to, we can find scarier fonts. But this is what they have. They have some stuff like this that you can use, and some of the stuff's cool looking. I like these, so I was using different letters and things like that. I'm gonna cancel out this because I've already made my letters. But what I did was I made them, and then if I wanted to, I kind of pressed on them and I kind of formatted them so they would look sort of like roundish and stuff like that. Okay. So what I want to do is I kind of want to like this is like with these kind of things. Like what you want to do is if you can make one script for these and just kind of reuse the script, that would be terrific, right? And basically all these letters are going to behave the same way. Okay. So one of the things I think I could do with them is I had this idea that I was gonna hide them behind the cat, okay, and make them all, um, you know, go from there to the place where they should line up. So what I want is when I say go, um, what I want is I want all the letters to kind of like display themselves, go out to these little locations. Okay, and then maybe do something else after that. Okay, but that's essentially what I want to do. So I want to kind of try to program that. Okay, and and they could even come out like one at a time. We could kind of do that. That would be sort of a cool idea. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with like one of them. Okay, and the thing is, if I can write a script where everything's kind of the same, that would be like terrific. So let's look at this. One of the things, let's take a look at, okay, their centers are kind of centered, so that's actually good. So if I put them at 0 0, they'll kind of be in the middle of the screen. Right now, it's saying if this thing's at, 19.7. Let me go here, and what's going to happen is on the mouse click, right? I might even put that weight in because I want this to happen. Like I don't want to miss the letters. Okay, so I might wait 2 seconds, and I could wait. Like I could have different weights. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, and I can even have random weights would be sort of cool too. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that they are all kind of at the same spot. So I'm going to put this as an explicit, like, you got to go there. Okay. Then, one of the things I could do, let's see, what would work here? I could wait like a kind of a random time. I don't know. Let's just make them all like kind of bust out. Let's just wait 1 second first before they do anything, right? One of the things I would do too is I would like hide them, okay? And then I would show them, okay? And then what I would do is I would make them move like to the spot where they need to go. And this is where you'd have to be be um, thoughtful about this. Okay, so right now I want this guy to glide out here, okay? And this is like the H. So I want the H to go to, let me put them out to their respective spots, okay? Okay, let's go to this guy's costume. I feel like I could bend him more, get him to look more, he's like that. This seems better, right? Let's see about this one. Yeah, this seems sort of okay. Okay, how about like that? Okay. Okay, and I hope I'm spelling Halloween right. Okay, I want that to sort of match the other one. Okay. Okay, So I'm kind of fitting them, right? That's probably too much. Here we go. And then I got Halloween. Okay, so it looks like a little bit like, whoa, sorry. Let me run this again. There you go. Okay. Oh, that's some of them. Another thing I should do actually in the script here is I should bring this to the front. So make sure that goes to front, right? Okay, let's do that. And it also like affect the kitty cat too and stuff like that. But I gotta get these guys to go to front. Okay. Oh, geez. Oh, that's what's going on. Let's kind of go back like 12 layers. Okay, here we go. Okay. So that seems pretty nice. Okay. We can fool around with like kind of their final places, but this you get the idea, and this seems good, and you can see Halloween. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna pull this over. But what I really need is I need these coordinates where they're gonna go to, right? Okay, and they're all basically gonna get the same script, so that's actually kind of good. Let's fix up this guy a little bit, make him more curvy. So that seems good. I like that. I like it. It's okay if it comes off a little bit. You can kind of get the point, right? Okay. So it doesn't have to be perfect at all or anything like that. Okay, but what I care about is I care about where the thing is. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this, and I can kind of manufacture these scripts. Okay. So it's going to glide in 1 second to. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to glide it to this section. Okay, so there's a point difference between here and here. Okay, so I can do this. That's good. Okay, now I got to get the next script for the A. So I'm going to copy this. See what it does? That's good, right? That's pretty cool, right? Okay, and if they all do this at once, it'll be like super cool. So I'm going to go like this and push this one to A. So I'm going to go to the A one. And really what I want to do is I want it to go not to here, I want it to go to this, because this A has a this A has a location of 147.91, right? Okay, and does that work? Okay. Okay, so I want to kind of keep doing that for all my letters. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the L now. Okay. And kind of keep going with this. Okay, let's hope this is the right L. Oh, I got to give it to script, so I got to go to A, H. Okay, and I'm going to give the L and the L a script. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to this L. Okay, this L knows that it's at, and this could be either one of them. It knows that it's here. Okay, and this L knows that it's here. Okay. And then we'll move on to the O. Where's the O? Wow, that was like way down there. Okay, so I gotta get the H script out, and then I gotta go to the O. So I'm gonna go to the H. Okay, and I'm gonna go hello. Oh, geez. Halloween. So make sure they all get the script. So what I'm doing is I'm just copying it. Okay. So let's go to the O. The O thinks that it's at 8:125. I think there's 2 copies of the script here too. So be careful. Okay. So fix that up. Okay. Hello, and then go to the W. Checking to make sure there's not 2 copies of the script. Gonna try this. Okay. E. Like that. E. So it's a little bit different. And then N. Okay, that's pretty cool, right? Okay, so here we go. Ready? Pretty good, right? You can make it go slower. Okay, so I might change the, I just have to change the time, right? You could also make it go like randomly. Like you could go like this. Like you could pick like random 2 to 5. Okay, something like that. And then we kind of mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna have to like, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna use the backpack for this. Okay, I'm gonna stick this down here because they could share it with everybody, kind of. Okay, and then this one I want to glide in. I don't even know which letter I'm on right now. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. Go here. Pull this up. Put this in here. Okay, H, A. I don't think I'm right. Nope. Okay, this is the L. Pull this up. Okay. So, oh, okay. Okay. And I think I have this. Let me see. I think these guys have to get it. Okay, I think that's all of them. Okay, so let's try this. Pretty cool, right? And if you do it even slower, and then what we have to do is get it to say Fright Fest. Okay? And what we didn't do is we didn't hide them. Okay? So what they do is they have to sit there, and then when it was time to hide them, we have to get them off the screen. Okay? So the way we have to get them off the screen is to go like this. Let me see. Let's get to one. Let me see here. Okay, I'm on the H. And what I could do is when they broadcast, we could use the broadcast for this. This is like an easy thing to do. Close this up. I can even set some room. Basically, when I receive change the scene, right, I can hide. So it's going to like do this. It's going to show. That's all good. And then I'm going to hide them because they don't do anything. They're just going to do that. Okay. So then what has to happen is they all need to get this. So I have to copy this and just kind of distribute it. Okay, I think I've got them all. Okay, let's take a look and see how it works. Okay, and ready, go. Okay, good. And stop it. There you go.